Hey, what is up guys? Tayo here. In this video, I'll be covering the Infinix Hot 12 High. So sit back and relax while you click on that like button so that more people can get to see this content, and that subscribe button as well. And yeah, thanks for 600 subscribers, and hopefully by the end of this year, let's get to 1000 subscribers. And with that being said, okay guys, let's get started. The Infinix Hot 12i is made out of plastic as expected from a device at this price range. And speaking of price, I'll be saying the price of this device towards the end of this video, so stick around for that. We get the 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, which means it has a 720p display that is justified for content consumption. We do not get high refresh rates on the Infinix Hot 12i as well. Moving on, we get Android 11 on the Infinix Hot 12i coupled with their skin called XOS 7.6, and as you would expect, we get ads and bloatware which can be uninstalled or disabled fairly easily. And if you want to know how to uninstall or disable those ads and the bloatware, well, I'll be making a video on that, so subscribe for that. And if you want a video right now, you can check out the link in the description to Easy's video on how to disable the ads and disable the bloatware and uninstall the bloatware. Link in the description below. We get the MediaTek Helio A22 processor on the Infinix Hot 12i. It's a 12nm octa-core processor coupled with the PowerVR GE8320 graphics processor with 3 to 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, which can be expanded using a memory card. It's kind of odd to me to see this device come in only one storage variant, that is 64 GB. Fair enough, we get a memory card slot to increase the memory, but I still think it's odd, and I really advise you to even install lighter versions of apps on this device so that you don't fill up the memory quickly. But all that being said, I mean, this a lighter version of the Hot 12, so it's expected, or it's kind of expected to see it come with just one storage variant. As for cameras, we get a triple camera setup consisting of a 30 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel depth camera, and an AI camera. Video maxes out at 1080p 30 frames per second for the rear camera and 720p 30 frames per second for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. Powering the Infinix Hot 12i is a 5000 mAh battery capable of 10 watts charging. Now, another hot choice from Infinix in the making of this device is the addition of a micro USB port. I mean, Infinix, I thought we agreed that no device of you should come with a micro USB port in 2022. I mean, this technology is really outdated. I mean, the only device manufacturer is allowed to even make devices with micro USB is probably Itel, and even at that, Itel shouldn't really make devices with micro USB in 2022. I mean, when will this madness end? Anyways, the Infinix Hot 12i starts at the price of 61,800 naira for the base model, that is the 2 GB of RAM, 64 GB of RAM variant, while the 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage variant start at the price of 67,000 naira. So yeah, let me know your own thoughts on this device in the comment section below. I honestly think you are better off getting the Spark 80, which start at this price as well, with the 67,000 naira, or the Samsung Galaxy A03. Well, yeah, I would love to know your own thoughts on this device in the comment section below. Is it a good device? Is it worth getting? Put all those comments in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.